Hey, today I would like to address a common question that I come across often from the students. They say, like, the revision is not as exciting. I'm not able to enjoy my revision. Well, we all understand that revision is extremely vital and you have to revise several times over a particular things so that you are in a position to actually use them in the examination. So, how to find and how to make this thing which you have already read twice or thrice exciting? I like to give you a simple tool to really exercise here. One, I would like to tell you that you should generate demand for it. I mean, you should not go back and read the same thing which you have read so many times already. It's boring. But then, if you generate a demand, and that demand can be generated by two ways. One is, of course, by teaching somebody or trying to recall yourself, try to write down the main points of what you have read. And in the process, when you're teaching somebody something, you would have forgotten something which you may not be able to express to the other person. The other person may not know it. But when you're writing down also, when you're speaking on your own also, you know there are certain things you have forgotten. That is where the demand is generated. And that's when you know that, hey, I have forgotten this. You do not know what the content is, but you know that there is something that you are missing out. Go back and you find your revision will be very exciting. Second, and probably more important, is that you do questions. I mean, you're doing questions, let's say you're writing answers, or you are doing multiple choice questions. At that stage, you find that there are certain things that you do not remember. So go back and revise. So if you are actually revising by a demand that has been generated, you'll find that your revision is always very exciting. So I think I would like to insist that revision is very important. Revision is not revisitation. Revision is not reading something which you have already read so many times over. Revision is actually ensuring that something which is missed out has been reconfirmed and then you remember it now. So for that, I would like you to use this technique of generating demand for revision and then revising. You'll find it always very exciting. Hopefully, this tool will help you and then will make your revision very exciting. My best wishes are with you.